In today's video, I want to share with you something very important in our life. Is our day meal plan. What I'm doing every day, every morning, and what you will do to feel positive, energetic, and enjoy your life. Every day, wake up early in the morning. Why? It's very important not to sleep too much. Wake up at 6. Drink 1 cup of water. Not hot, not cold. Warm temperature, clean water. Just drink it. When 30 minutes passed, it's time to eat your breakfast. Your breakfast is the most important meal in your day. And you need to prepare your meal. Your breakfast should be colorful, fresh, tasty, and you should like it. It should be something you like. I don't say you cannot eat chocolate. If you like chocolate, eat little bit. Eat, why not? But this chocolate should be 70% of cacao or sugar-free. Eat egg, boiled egg or poached egg. Eat oatmeal, which is very tasty and very healthy. Put some kefir to your oatmeal, some raisins for make sweetness, and eat it. Drink some fresh coffee with sweetness, not with not natural sugar, no. And when you enjoy your breakfast, you will feel very energetic till lunchtime. Do some short exercise, talk with your friends, do your work, and already at 11, 12 you will feel a little bit hungry and you can eat your lunch. Maybe lunch, it's the last meal. It depends how you will be prepared for this lunch. If it's tasty and healthy and consists healthy protein and carbohydrates, then you will not be hungry for rest of the day. You will be positive and energetic. Eat something healthy. It could be fish, it could be potatoes, mashed potatoes, it could be fresh green salad with tomato and cucumbers. It could be nuts. Everything what you consider is good for your health, for your beauty, and for your positive energy. For the rest of the day, you will not feel hungry if you enjoyed your most important meals in the morning and in lunchtime. You should plan some walk-out time for hours. Just put your favorite shoes, comfortable shoes, and go for a walk to the nature with green trees and water and birds. Go and enjoy nature. Every day you need to take this some little new experience to be closer to nature and get energy from nature, to be able to create something more for your life. Just follow this advice, and very soon your friends, your relatives, your environment will come to you and will ask, something happened with you. You changed. Your eyes become brighter. What did you do with your life? And you can answer, I just enjoy my life. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and see you next video.